P18 Top Pro Max Drone 8K 5G HD Triple Camera. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 8K high-definition Wi-Fi, and the optical flow high-definition lens at the bottom can switch the camera angle. The servo gimbal design increases stability, and EIS electronic image stabilization is added to make the picture lines clearer. The altitude fixing function has the altitude fixing mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function is stable in flight. Ultra-long battery life 3.7V 3000 mAh lithium-ion battery. Battery life is about 45 minutes. Customize the route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the app. App mobile phone control, one-key return, headless mode, gesture photography, optical flow positioning, obstacle avoidance gimbal components, stop without collision when encountering obstacles. 5 GHz anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, more stable flight, more convenient control. 720 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, no fear of crashing.